Vaishali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video, by the title you guys can see, I am going to talk about a blow brush, which is a revolutionary product. It is an hair equipment tool and it works amazing for your hair. So girls out there who are going for office or who wants to save time, then this is the perfect tool for you. It works amazingly. It just takes your 10 minutes of the day and it just gives you a very nice blow dried and soft and silky hair with a lot of bounce. So if you guys want to know how the blow brush works and how you get that amazing blow dried hair, then please continue watching. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be always be notified when my new video comes. And yes, without further ado, let's get started. So now let me show you how the blow brush is. Voila, this is the blow brush and it comes in this huge cardboard packaging. And now I'll just open the blow brush, and this is how the blow brush looks like. It is very lightweight and very handy as well. And this is the blow brush, guys. This blow brush is a combination of a blow dryer and a brush, so it is very useful to do your hair in a blow dried manner, and then you guys can detangle your hair with it also. So super convenient to use. You guys don't need to comb your hair and then just go with the brush and again comb your hair. This is super lightweight and very convenient to use. Also I just wanted to show you guys that here is the off button. So when you just plug in your blow brush, it will give you a red light and you guys can just on it. And it has 3 temperature setting over here. One is low, medium and high. Turn it. In this way, you guys can just go on whatever setting you need, and this works amazingly. It is oval in shape, so it will be very convenient to use and just give you that bounce. You guys need to use this blow brush on your damp hair, that your hair must be 80% or 50% wet and 50% dry. So it works very nice on your hair and it will give you that nice bounce. So yeah, let's just start. So guys, now my blow brush is on and you guys can see the on light. And now what I'm going to do is, this is the high, it is at medium temperature, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this much amount of my hair first, and then I'll be going with the blow brush and I'm just going to flip it inwards. And I'm just going to turn it. Same way I'll be doing. And you guys see, my hair is looking so shiny and so nice. It has got bounce also over here, and I am just going to turn it inwards. And you guys can see the shape over here. Same, I'll be just going through it once again. Same way I'll be doing the another sections also. So guys, you just see it has given very nice shine on my hair and it has just waved my hair also. I have just kept it simple and straight, but I have given a little bit of bounce on my hair. So yeah, this is my hair. I will just complete rest of my hair and I'll be right back. You guys can see my hair is looking so nice, so soft and so shiny, and you guys can see the intern inside. This blow brush gives you a very nice inwards and outward curls. You guys can just turn it to give a outer curl, and you guys can turn in to give a inner curl, and this will make your hair look so bouncy and curly. I highly recommend this tool if you don't have time in your daily life, and if you just need to use a blow dryer, then this is the perfect thing. It stays for super long. It gives you a very nice shine. I am just loving the whole look, how it has turned out. I have just done my hair a very nice and straight look, and I have just given it an intern inside, which you guys can see. This is looking super nice, so I like it this way, but you guys can do in your own way. Also, the link of the product will be linked down in the description box below, so make sure you guys check it out if you want to purchase. I have links in the description box below. And also, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was informative and helpful for you guys. I hope you guys will like it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be always be notified when my new video comes. And yes, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.